Hello YouTube. Today I am back with a new video on my new hypercar chassis that I have made today. Now, without any further ado, I don't want to spend too much time talking. We're going to dive straight into this chassis. Now, the first thing that you will notice about this chassis is its layout. In the front we have the suspension and steering. The servo motor right here controls the steering. Right in the middle, we have the battery box that powers it. There we have the L motor that drives the vehicle. And in the back, we have the rear suspension and differential. The suspension in this unit is fully independent, meaning that every wheel can move up and down independently without affecting the wheel parallel to it. Here I will demonstrate the front suspension and the rear suspension. It is also fairly stiff for a vehicle, a Lego vehicle, which is what you want in a hypercar or supercar. And it can also be compressed from the top. If we flip the car over, we can see the underside. As you can see, the chassis is very stable and sturdy. And right there, we have the differential. So, this chassis is very sturdy. It does not bend when you compress it from the middle. And it will be very strong if it has a sudden impact, such as if it falls. See, it doesn't even bend. One thing you may not have noticed about the chassis is that it is geared up, meaning that the wheels spin faster than the motor does. It is geared in a ratio of 3 to 5, meaning that the motor will spin 3 times and the wheels will spin 5 times. Alrighty guys, so that comes to the end of this video today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, please make sure you subscribe and comment down below what you think I should build next. I will be uploading driving footage of this chassis very soon. I already have it recorded, but I will upload it maybe a day or so after this video is uploaded. I want to thank you all for watching. If you could please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.